Hello everyone, Austin here, and today we're taking a look at my Webster wire recorder, which I do have the volume knob off right now because I was trying to clean that with some contact cleaner. But anyway, I always thought I would do a video if I found anything interesting on the spool of wire, and I did happen to stumble upon something really cool. An old, I don't know if it's an old cleaning service ad or not. At least that's what it sounds like. I didn't do any research on the company name or anything like that. Maybe you guys would if you guys would want to check this out. But I thought this is just really cool what I found in this spool, this commercial here. So take a listen to some of it. I think I rewinded it far enough. I don't know. If you hear a glimpse of the commercial, though, it's pretty cool to hear. So here's what I found.
Was cleaning short, we offer you this plan. Just send out a call to, and then leave it on to your friendly Electrolux man. Let's prove to you that we can solve you with the wonderful Electrolux. Deep cleans your carpets, covers every cleaning job from floor to ceiling. Electrolux is only obtainable from your friendly Electrolux brand. Bum, bum, bum.
I think that might be it for the cleaning service. Now I have some other music. I wanted you guys to hear the cleaning service, but if you're interested in the music at all,
Sweet as apple cider, your little honey, sweeter than all I know. Come on, it's silvery moonlight, of love will whisper, so soft and low. See? Sweet as apple cider, you're my little honey, sweeter.
some of my older viewers might know this song, or I don't know. It sounds really cool. I really like this stuff. It sounds like a group or something practicing their new song, or maybe an older song that actually existed before. My knowledge of old music is pretty good, but this song I've never actually heard of, so maybe it's a newer song like that a group decided to do old sounding. I don't know, but anyway, I just thought I would do a video. If I found anything interesting on the wire recorder, yeah, and I did clean it up. I don't know if it's looking shinier on the video or not. But I did shine it up as best I could. I got some stuff oiled and greased and everything like that. The head is finally bobbing up and down. I don't know if you could tell on the previous video of the wire recorder, but now it's spreading it nice and evenly on that spool there. So it's definitely, and actually sounds a lot better, surprisingly, just by making sure that the head bobs up and down properly. It's crazy. But if I do find anything interesting on the spools that I have, I will definitely make another video, because this is a lot of fun. I can't wait to take this stuff and save the history, plug some wires into the output there, plug them into my computer, and just go at digitizing all this stuff. And then maybe perhaps I'll even upload an entire just audio file of whatever I find on these wire recorders. If you guys or on the wire spools, if you guys are very interested in me doing that or uploading that, please let me know down in the comments. I would be more than happy to digitize this stuff and upload the audio file. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration of the wire recorder, all shined up, all greased up, all oiled up, and working as it should be. Now, it wasn't recapped, but it'll get that someday when I get to that level of smartness, I guess you could say, level of intelligence. I don't know. I got to practice on some other stuff before I go just tearing into this. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.